First, lay your shirt out on a flat surface. You're going to start from the center, pinching your shirt and twisting it. As it all starts coming together, you're going to take the sides in and shape it around the spiral. And just make sure it looks really neat and tight.
Next, you can secure your shirt with rubber bands. 4 usually does the trick by making sure that all parts of the shirt are tucked in neatly, making the dyeing process a lot less messy.
Before you touch any dye, you're going to want to apply gloves so you don't stain your hands.
The colors you see here are the ones being used on the shirt. Start off with your first color and dye 1/6 of the shirt with it. Make sure you fill in all the white spaces. Continue filling in the white spots with the rest of the colors that you have.
If you don't want any white spots on your finished product, make sure you're filling in all the cracks. When you're done with the first side, carefully flip it over and start working on the second side. To get those black stripes that you'll see on the finished product, you have to cover the entire back of the shirt with black dye. When you're finished, carefully place your shirt inside the bag and tie it up.
For more information on how to complete this step, watch our How to Rinse Tie-Dye tutorial.
And there you have it.
Hope this helped.
Peace out! Hey, do you think anyone's actually gonna watch this?
I don't know.
Guess we'll find out.